In this video I'm going to show you how to change text messages notification sound. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up settings and next hit add sounds and haptics. Now there you can find text tone. And here you can change the text tone for a text message. By default it's note, but you can hit add another other tones. You can listen how it sounds. And if you like some, you can just left it check mark. So actually now complete alert tone is set for text tone. And in the same way you can listen another text tones. And also if you want to set a more longer sound, you have to scroll down to ringtones section and you can hear how it sounds. You hear now that these sounds sound quite longer, and also you can go up here to alert tones and even set the setting to none to completely turn off text tone for your text notification sound. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.